This is a project that you might have thought when you saw it we need to do a full interior refurbishment, but when we sat down and really looked at it, there were parts of the aircraft that were still in great shape that really didn't need to be addressed. It's a beautiful day here in Fayetteville. We're excited to get started on this Lear 45 project. The guys are in the north hangar getting ready to start on the woodwork. We have the guys over in Tulsa with David. They're working on the carpet, they're working on the side panel, and this job is starting to roll. We're really excited about this one.
David here with Afterglow Tulsa, working on a Lear 45 interior. We're doing some new carpet, freshening up the side panels, as well as redoing the woodwork here, the front galleys and the drink rails. Today we're actually starting to go back with it. We just put a partial part of one of the front galleys in, putting the new drink rails back in, and tomorrow we'll be putting in the rest of the galleys and then hopefully installing the carpet and getting this bird ready to fly.
This is one of those projects that we just absolutely love to work on. As we got in the aircraft, we recognized that not every part of the interior was in bad shape. The seats still looked fantastic. They just needed a good cleaning. The window liner and the headliner were still in great shape. So what we did is we came up with a solution for this customer to not have to spend the money on a full refurbishment and give him an economical option that will really make his plane look and feel modern and new and clean and sharp when he gets in. This was one that was an incredible transformation.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.